guy's just.
He's going on like this.
He's just lighting up fireworks.
He's got money to waste on fireworks. Is he crazy?
He's just lighting off fireworks at like 5 in the morning.
Rather than wasting on fireworks.
Recording this thing. Look at him.
This bloke is weird. Record it outside, gunshots and gunshots. Record it outside. Look at that, the gunshot.
Oh, see that guy down there? He's shooting peeps. What the hell? You see how casually he lights them? Whoa. Catch man on the grass flying his kite. Catch man in the courtyard lighting his fireworks.
This is the view from San Pedro Sula, my hotel room. Whoa.
Bearing in mind 5, 6 in the morning. This guy's just lighting fireworks.
There he goes again, another one.
Well,
Wait for it. Wait for it.
This crazy guy's lighting fireworks.
That one, that there. It's gonna go bang any second.
Like
that.
Smoke crack. Lying. Low budget ones.
Crazy.
Good way to wake the guys up in the hotel though.
I wonder if he does this all the time.
I'm gonna go back inside and wait, listen for the bangs. That's inside. So yeah, I'm quite far inside now, and it's bloody loud. Yeah, that was fun.